so we heard from Western Union, which is a great story, and now we get to hear about Mattel. As I said, one of the great brands. I think everybody in their life has been exposed or had children who've had something to do with Mattel. It's just a great company. So let's roll the film on Mattel.
The #1 toy maker in the world stays on top by truly listening to our consumers and being where they are. It's really as simple as that. Right now at Mattel, we're going through massive transformation.
The trends of marketing have changed. Already with brand marketing today, it's digital.
So at the Digital Initiatives Group within Mattel, we're there to really do two things. One is enhance and empower the things that have always made Mattel great. Incredible brands, delightful products and experiences for consumers. But we're also there to unlock new frontiers.
We have this vision for customer journey. Is to deliver a seamless, connected experience across any device at a global scale.
Mattel has always had the vision to connect with consumers through that entire life journey, from prenatal all the way through adult collectors. Technologically, it's just been very difficult to achieve, even though that's been our core vision for many, many years.
Mattel's vision of the customer journey really started out as very simple as needing to send emails, and that was no easy feat. As we started down this process, we realized we had a best practice in Fisher-Price. They'd been sending emails to their consumers for a very long time. But at the end of the journey with Fisher-Price, they'd send them a goodbye email. What a tragedy, because we have a ton of magical brands that we could have continued to lead our customer through and develop a lifelong relationship with them.
One of the key drivers to achieve the vision that we have to mapping the customer journey is to have a partner who can bring us a solution that we can acknowledge every single touch point.
And that's what Salesforce allows us to achieve. Now we actually have a way to all work off the same platform.
With Marketing Cloud, our brands are no longer siloed. Now we're really starting to listen to what our consumers have to say.
And the insights that we can glean from all these interactions and these data points.
Let it be on a website,
direct communications through email,
SMS mobile message,
Instagram,
WeChat,
or anywhere else in the social space.
The telemetry that we can get from our mobile apps and games to see what are the most popular Barbie characters, to communicate with consumers in the way that is relevant to them, whether it be in China or Mexico or France or the Middle East or the United States, was critical in terms of unlocking the strategic value that is inherent in the company. When we think about consumers going on this journey and us going on it with them, it's both about seamlessly transitioning from brand to brand, but also introducing things that they didn't even know were out there, delighting and exciting them and surprising them with the different experiences that Mattel can offer.
Salesforce Marketing Cloud was the best fit for us for a short-term, mid-term, and a long-term partnership.
I think one of the most exciting things for us is that in the future we're going to be able to deliver fantastic connected experiences with consumers around the world on any device or platform in a way that we've never been able to do before, and Salesforce makes that possible.
Pretty cool story, huh? Now, I will admit, I was a Hot Wheels kid, and I'm sure many of you were a Hot Wheels person as well. So here to tell this story is Bryan Wade. Where's Bryan? Bryan? Dude, what are you doing?
Woo! Good morning, Keith. Good morning, New York.
You have a permit for that thing? Okay.
Good morning. Woo! So there's something special about the iconic brands from Mattel. So think back to when you were a kid. Hot Wheels, Barbies, Thomas the Train, Fisher-Price toys. When I was a kid, I played with toys from Mattel. My kids, if you go to their toy room, they have toys from Mattel. And as we heard from Carlson in the video, Mattel's going through a transformation. They are creating a connected customer experience with mobile apps. And this vision for connected customer experiences is being powered by the customer success platform, by using Journey Builder to drive one-to-one customer journeys, by using the Service Cloud to provide customer service anywhere in apps and devices, and connecting up those mobile app games with Heroku to bring the data in from the apps to the customer success platform to drive a 360-degree view of the customer and to drive true one-to-one engagement. So Mattel uses the Marketing Cloud and Journey Builder to connect with their customers across every touch point: email, mobile, social, advertising, even on Mattel.com. The Marketing Cloud is running on their website. The Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the #1 marketing application in the world. So if you're a marketer sitting here in the room today, you can use Journey Builder to connect with your customers, with your employees, and your partners on their one-to-one journey. And we're very excited to announce today, for the first time ever, Predictive Journeys, using data science and machine learning algorithms to have an intelligent conversation with your customer using Journey Builder. And Mattel's vision about connecting with their customers on every touch point includes more than marketing. It includes service. With the Service Cloud and the new Lightning console, agents can solve problems fast. And with Wave Analytics, agents can have inline analytics in the Service Cloud console to provide better insights and better service for their customers. And finally, at Dreamforce, we announced Service for Apps. So you can take the Service Cloud and you can embed it into your mobile app and provide in-context and personalized customer service right within your mobile app, because everything is being connected. And the power of the customer success platform is that anyone can build apps. Anyone can build apps, and they can build them fast. With point-and-click app development, all on Salesforce and the most trusted platform in the world. So apps are being connected. Devices are being connected. Products are being connected. But behind every single one of these products and apps and devices is a customer. And that's why at Dreamforce, we announced the IoT Cloud. So you can connect your apps, connect your devices, connect your products, and bring that data into the customer success platform to have a true one-to-one engagement with your customer. And Mattel is connecting everything. Mattel is connecting their toys. So Hot Wheels, one of the brands from Mattel, is connecting their toys with an app called Hot Wheels Showdown. So now I can take a Hot Wheels car and I can race it down my living room floor. Or I can take that same car, a Corvette or an Aston Martin, and I can connect it to a mobile app game. And I can race it on a dirt track or a street course in the mobile app. Because the way kids play with toys has changed. Think about your kids. My kids spend a whole lot of time playing games on mobile apps. And so what we're going to do now is show you a live demo right here in New York, how Mattel is building the future of play with their customers using the customer success platform. So we're going to start our demo here right on Mattel.com. And if you zoom in, you can see we have an Aston Martin Hot Wheels car in our shopping cart. Let's go ahead and place the order. Now, when we place the order, the customer journey begins. And the first step of that customer journey is an order confirmation email. Now, this is not just an ordinary confirmation email. Of course, it's got my shipping number and order number. But if you look at the top, there's a clear call to action to download the mobile app. So let's click through. And when we do, we're taken to the App Store, and we're going to get the Hot Wheels Showdown app on our phone. And the onboarding experience of that customer begins. Mattel's getting to know their customer. So that's what it's like for the customer experience. Let's check out what it's like for the marketer to build this journey. And we're going to show you the Marketing Cloud. You see it here. Across the top are our best-in-class channels: email, mobile, social, advertising, and website technology that we tie together with common data and analytics, common journeys, and content. And we're going to show you how Mattel uses Journey Builder, and we're going to start this demo in Journey Maps. Journey Maps are powerful technology because they allow a marketer to take the creative process of marketing, and that creative process, maybe you've witnessed it, where someone goes to a whiteboard and draws rectangles with arrows between them, take a picture of it on your phone, you're mapping the customer journey. Journey Maps will let you map that right here in the software, and you can see acquire, onboard, engage, re-engage, all the lifecycle stages that Mattel thinks about when they think about customer interactions. Scroll to the bottom and you see all the campaigns they're running. Holidays, clearance, collectors. These are campaigns to reach out to their customers, to touch them, to get them to go back to Mattel.com, or to go to a store and buy their toys. Let's go back to the top here. We'll check out this download mobile app interaction. So we saw the customer experience. Now for the marketer experience, we're going to log into what we call the interaction canvas. And if you look on the left of the canvas, you can see all the activities that are available to a marketer. Email, SMS, push notifications, active audiences for advertising, and group messages. And if you scroll to the bottom here, you can see that it's connected to the customer success platform. You can now build journeys to leads, contacts, campaigns, reports, opportunities. All the objects that are available in Salesforce are now surfaced in Journey Builder, so you can build one-to-one customer journeys across the entire customer success platform. Now, if you look in the middle there, you see the car. That's what we call a trigger event. Every interaction has a trigger event. And in this case, when I buy that Hot Wheels car, right away, I receive that order confirmation email. You see it here. But the power of Journey Builder is that you can wait. You can wait and see what your customers do. Do they click? Do they open? Do they download the app? Because that's our goal. And if they don't download the app, we're going to do an ABC random split. We're going to test and optimize an SMS, an ad, and an email. And you see the SMS and the email and the ad right there to see which calls to action, which digital channels perform best to get Mattel's customers to download the mobile app. And so you saw in the video, you heard this technology has not been there in the past. Well, it's here today, and it's easy. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's go ahead and pull across this push notification onto the map, and let's click in. So now I am in our mobile application for marketers. And if you look there at the top, you can see we've got this message flow. We're going to go ahead and create an outbound message. And when we create an outbound message, we're going to connect to our customers using Journey Builder. So we're going to pick the Hot Wheels Showdown app and pick the interaction. And you can see now I got the phone right there in the screen. I'm going to put in a message. Don't forget to scan your QR code when you get the package delivered to your house. So this is going to be sent to the customer when the package is delivered. So when it looks good, I'm going to activate it. And when I activate it, this journey is live. So let's check it out from the customer's experience. So we've got a live demo for you here. I've got a Hot Wheels car in my pocket. And if you zoom in, you can see on the back, I've got this QR code. If you can see it in the camera, I'm not sure if you can make it happen. But this QR code is how the customer connects the digital experience with the physical product. And you can see here on the screen, we've got the app. It's there. And we're going to scan the QR. Wait, hold on a minute. Alan over the demo. What happened, Alan? Can we scan it?
Yeah, I got a little too excited and I ripped the package by accident. So when I scan the QR code, I get this message. It looks like I had some trouble with the QR code, but Mattel's pit stop crew's on it, and they're going to help me out.
Oh, wow. So what do you think we should do?
Oh, maybe we should check out Service Cloud.
Well, that's right, because with Service Cloud for apps, Mattel automatically creates a case when something happens in the app. And so now you think about connecting with your customers on any channel, any device, Twitter, email, Facebook. You can see all the icons there on the screen. That green icon is a mobile app. So now you can connect the Service Cloud into your mobile app and create cases and solve customers' problems in context when they're having the issue. So let's click through. We'll show you the case. This is the new Lightning console. And on the left are all the recent purchased products. You can see the downloaded apps. In the middle is the feed, how the customer's been interacting with Mattel. On the right is the Wave in the Service Cloud. So let's check this out. We've got Wave live right here in the Service Console. And so an agent can see what's happening all across the entire business. Cases are coming in for Barbies, for Hot Wheels. What's the average customer satisfaction? It lets them get a better feel for what's happening in their business. We're going to solve this case with a macro. A macro allows you to take 5, 10, multiple steps and combine it into one click. So you see here we have all these steps to solve this problem, to fix the QR code issue. 10 steps. Let's hit play. When we hit play, all these things are happening in the Service Cloud. In the old world, this would be 10 clicks for a service agent. Now it's one click. And with that one click, we're going to close the case, activate the QR code, and send an email to the customer to say your problem has been solved. So we've just done that. Let's go ahead and go back to the mobile app. Let's check out what happened. There we go. Congrats. There's that Aston Martin car that I had in my shopping cart. And this is the future of play. So I can race this car on a dirt track or a street course, or I can also race it in this mobile app game. Because we live in the age of the customer, and Mattel is a customer company, and they're using the customer success platform to transform the way they connect with their customers. Back to you, Keith.
Great job, Bryan. Thank you. That is a cool story, and I seriously hope we have a license for that thing that you drove in, Hunter, your little Hot Wheel. Anyway, Thanks, Bryan. Appreciate doing that.